What's up? I see you changed the beauty, changed the name to the central plant. My man. You need to stick with something, man. You need the central plant. Now nobody's not gonna know who the beauty is right now, you know. How's everybody doing, guys? How's everybody doing? Have a nice day, guys. Gee, let's go. How's everybody doing? There are not gonna be a lot of people right now because, you know, no notifications, stuff like that, I think, you know, but, you know, that's fine, that's fine. We're just gonna see what Bitcoin is doing right now, you know. My wife Selena. Salim, that ain't happening, man. Zeus is gonna tap that one. I saw XRP video. How you decide what triangle is best, or can more than one triangle be perfectly available for? Yeah, good question, man. I like the question. Let's look at the XRP because, you know, I just posted XRP. Now the problem with the triangles is like which triangle is correct one. So what we want to know is when we're drawing the triangles. Let's just remove this for a second. What we want to know when we're drawing the triangle is which line is respected, and the respect of the line we get when we connect the dots, right? So if you see if you see a wick going exactly to the line, that's being respected, right? And you want a lot of this respect to be hitting the line, right? So something like this up here, you got 1, 2 hits but no third hit. This is, although it is hitting above it, it's not actually respecting the line because, you know, it would stop here. That would be respect, you know. So you list at least 3 respects on the line, at least 3 respects. So you're trying to find some kind of line that has 3 respects. Like something like this could be viable because you got like 1 respect up here, 2, 3, 4, right, and then maybe 5th respect, right? So this is pretty decent line on the weekly time frame. Also, the, you know, bigger time frames are better. So you want to find good respect on line. So which one is viable? Which one? Well, it depends. It depends. This looks pretty legit, but when you start going to 4-hourly time frame, stuff like that, you will see a lot of these, you know, a lot of these moves going above the line, especially if you draw the line from the weekly time frame. If you draw the line from the weekly time frame and then you go to some kind of 4 time frame, you will see, you know, that the line doesn't adjust exactly perfectly. So, you know, you might adjust the line somewhat or something like that, but, you know, preferably not. Let's see here on the daily how this looks on the daily. On daily also looks very nice. You can see here how it respects the line very nicely. Although this broke the upside, you know, it does respect. There is not so much respect here, you know, and down here on the daily, but on the weekly we did have some nice respects, you know. So it's a little bit tricky to figure out, you know, which line is, you know, good, but, you know, you pick the line, and once you start crossing that line, there is no pumpage coming, you know. You just, let's say, maybe it's some kind of different line. Finding the line is really hard. Chadwick, nice question though. I like that there is a lot of green names in the chat. Ron, Adopter, I want to announce a bounce over 4% on Engine coin. Okay, let's see. Engine has 15% bounce. Nice. Still inside chart. Imagine what's this gonna do. Imagine what Engine coin is gonna do once it bounces out of the triangle, guys. Imagine what Engine gonna do once it bounces. This is just a bounce out of the moving averages, right? This is just a, you know, the first bounce out of the moving average. It's going right now towards the resistance up here, right? Maybe the resistance should be somewhere up here, maybe something like this. Maybe it's going to the resistance right now. That's why I'm saying, you know, finding the correct lines, it's kind of tricky sometimes. But this on the weekly time frame does look to be legit. Let's see on the daily time frame up down here. Does look to be legit as well. Maybe there is some kind of other line that could be drawn up here using this wick up here. Maybe, give or take, maybe some kind of line up there, but you know, imagine the moves you know, coins are gonna start making once they start breaking the triangles. Ron, what happened to Dent? Yeah, what happened to Dent, man? You're not talking about Dent that much. Dent 7.21. Dent is about to break out. Dent is about to break out up here. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Let's just go a little bit back in time to get my XRP lines for a second. Yeah, that's nice. And then we can go back to Dent. Where's Dent? Dent is about to break out. Dent looks nice. Dent looks ready. Look at this, man. Dent is looking so nice. Yeah, what's up with Dent, man? Ron, what's up with Dent? Are you still hodling Dent? Any alts to FOMO right now? Claudia, everything right now is getting ready to FOMO in. Like, everything is getting ready towards these triangles and going up, you know. I'm waiting for my donation after Dent breakout. I'm waiting for my... What? Dot breaking out. Trias pumped today 35%, yet we're around 20. This coin is going in place. We talk... Guys, everything is gonna pump. Can you check Fantom Tiller? Yeah, Fantom is not doing much. And I mean, it started pumping and then it stopped, you know, so it has a little pullback. It's sitting at 2.4 right now. It's not doing much. It's not doing much. Like, maybe it's gonna go, you know, it kind of wanted to go up here, you know, and then it kind of, nah, not yet. Not yet. So there is hidden bullish divergence down here. There is no divergence up here. There's hidden bullish divergence up here. So this move towards the upside is legit. This on the 4 hour, you can see everything is playing out nicely. Hidden bullish divergence down here, but on the daily there is a problem because James want to know about stuff. VRA and QSP. Why don't you just list like 50 coins in one donation, man? Why don't you just like 50 coins in one donation? You know, it looks like it's going towards the upside up here, and there is divergence right now. But you know, if this continues pumping, there will be no divergence. So, but on 4 hour looks nice. On 4 hour it looks nice. It looks like, you know, soon maybe. I think we need to break 2.42 or something like that. I think, you know, we need to break 42 up here, you know, to go higher. How the F these moon phases work so good? Are you a believer now, man? Are you a believer now? People call us crazy, you know, but the crazy is the ones that knows. The crazy is the ones that knows, man. People call us crazy, moon phases. People don't understand that we figured the secret to the billionaires. We figured the secret, man. You cannot see the moon phases up here because, you know, this is the new moon. This is the new moon and going up, right? So, you know, hey man, isn't this dot moon? This is what happens in the bull markets. Now look here when we go to the 1 hourly time frame. Bam! Full moon, guys. Full moon. Going up. Yes, I was starting believing a long time ago for me. Yeah, man. We you know, we like correlations. We like, you know, finding some stuff that, you know, it's correlating with each other. So it is nice. We figured it out, man. We figured it out. Cardano 4.7, man. Look at this, nice 4 hourly. Daily still not above this 20 moving average. Maybe it's gonna wait for tomorrow. I don't know. Let's see VRA. What's by VRA? VRA. I don't know what VRA. I'm guessing it's this one. Let's see. It's QCoin. It's probably on QCoin, something like that. Not QCoin. Oh, this broke all-time high, man. It's just getting pullback. It's just gonna continue, man. This on the weekly. Didn't I check this before, man? Didn't I check this before? Yeah, it's gonna continue. It looks very good, man. It looks very good. I have absolutely no problem with this. The target is, you know, where is the breakout up here actually? I'm gonna say this is the breakout. Yeah, so this is, you know, some kind of, you know, cup and handle pattern right now. You know, it's continuing towards the upside. So target. I don't know if you're gonna use the alt piece. So let's just do something like this up here, and say the breakout. You know, the target's up here at what's that? 86 or something like that. So you got another what's that? Another 40% to go to the target just for the first target. After that, it depends. It looks good. There is no problem on the MACD, on the daily, on the weekly. No problem sitting. No overbought levels. No over extend levels. This looks like it's gonna go nicely towards the upside. So VRA, nice. And the other one, QSP. QSP. Let's check what QSP is doing. This is on Binance, so it's nice. Let's see Binance up here. I actually checked this one before. QSP, this must be a long time ago. I don't know why I did check this. I was trying to find some kind of lines for this up here. You know, the best line I could find right now is this trend line up here that's going right over here, right? and you are sitting exactly at the resistance right now, but once it starts breaking, it's 10 and 12 target up here, but it does looks good, you know. It's creating these higher highs, it's higher lows, it's above all the moving averages on the weekly time frame, it's above all the moving averages right now, just going kind of some. This is kind of getting ready to blast off. Once it gets above this 66 level, 0.66 levels up here, once it gets above this level up here, it's gonna start exploding towards the upside. This is really close to, you know, breaking out. This is really close to breaking out very soon, very soon. This looks nice. Where Lambo? I don't know, man. Where is Lambo? By the way, did that... I gotta ask. Like... Let's go with this. 2D. I think that's right. Most of the movement and patterns is a domino effect. Maybe that's correct. Maybe that's correct. Guys, 31 likes right now. Let's pump the likes for Selena, because, you know, she's the pumping the price. The moon is her god. We need to show the respect to the one and only. Alright, we need to show the respect. Where will it go? Hello, man. Hello, Antonius. How you doing, man? How you doing? So, Tiela, do you think that BTC somewhat gassed out? What are the scenarios? BTC will be consolidating, alts go crazy, or BTC has a retracement towards the moving averages dragging also? There is no, I don't see any retracement right now. I think right now that Bitcoin is gonna go all the way up to 70, between 70 and 80. I think 66 is too low, so I think 70 and 80 before we get altcoin season. It is looking ready to pop. Yeah, it is already popping, man. Batch guitar, it is already pumping. It is already above the line. You can see the line up here. Let's go to the daily. It is already pumping, guys. It is already above the, you know, resistance. It's going up to 62 right now. It is above the resistance. I just want at least 100k. I just subscribed and liked. Good for you, man. Good for you. Good for you. I don't mind checking out CLV. It has. By the way, guys, we got new video. So let's see this. How we gonna do this? Like this, and then we change up here. Guys, check this out. Check this out. Okay. All right. I gotta turn off my stuff. There we go. The late adopter.
Random rewards are so sweet. Honey's all that I can see. Blame nature, why don't you? I make no apology. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity on the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash, 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 dash. Doge Daddy, yeah. Go Dash, go Dash, Doge Daddy.
The late adopter. Very nice, very nice. What do I press now? What do I press now? I press this one? Yeah, this one. That's nice, that's nice. Selena missing in the video clip. Yeah, Selena is missing in the video clip. Yeah, so that was the guy in the chat. You know, he's gonna make something. He's so mad at. I think it's show worthy. So you know, nice. Antonius Laus, 50 bucks. Can take a look at Luna, bro. It's pumping 20. I will get it and buy more. Luna was one of the bottom chasers at now, right? 40%. It's not done yet. I mean, it's the first move. I mean, you regret not buying more. I mean, it was down here at the bottom. It was going the 50 moving average down here, and then it pumped 20%. Sure, but this is the first move. It has a lot of more moves to go. There's a lot more moves to go, but this is the first move, so it's 14%. It's nice. Maybe some kind of pullback, maybe some kind of look at these green candles, man. This is super nice, like pump, maybe something here, then again, and then continue pumping, right? Because right now people want to FOMO into this, so it's gonna probably wait a little bit since people want to FOMO in, right? Since people want to FOMO in. What did I just watch? Okay, let's put back the music on, man. Okay, Hypnotize Shepherd with that clip. So, yeah, Luna looks nice, man. Luna looks nice. I have no problem with Luna whatsoever. Like, I have no problem with nothing. Guys, you have to understand. Doesn't matter what kind of coin you tell me to check out, everything looks good. Everything beside SLP. Like, yeah, everything beside this crap over here looks good, okay? This doesn't look good, but everything else beside this crap looks good, okay? So SLP does not look, but everything. I have, I have this, section down here that says "Don't care, baddies," and I have two coins in there. One is SLP, the other one is LTC, and even this LTC pumped out. So here's a freebie for you guys that are not on Patreon. LTC right now breaking out. Okay, you see this line up here. This is a very important line. LTC broke the 200 moving average, broke the trend line. It's breaking out right now with a 10% towards the upside. So LTC is already going. LTC, Litecoin, and Ethereum is already going right now. So if you guys are not Patreon, you get some freebies. But we are considering LTC, the way I look at it, I consider it, a bad coin because it did something like 800%, but Bitcoin did that as well. So why would I go on Litecoin instead of Bitcoin when they do exact same pumps, right? Exact same pump, right? What's this, right? From the bottom to top, like 1400%. From the corona up to top, 1005. Let's see LTC. LTC did from the bottom to the top, yeah, the same, exactly the same, right? So why would you do Litecoin when you got Bitcoin? So I don't get it, right? So it's just one of those coins that are exactly the same as Bitcoin, but it's right now, it is breaking out. Freebie, my money on SLP. Why, man? Why? At one point I thought SLP was looking good, man. It had some kind of bottom down here, right? And it started going up. And there was a really pretty good chance this is gonna be some kind of a reversal pattern up here and explode to the upside. So I started looking at it, but once they did this on the downside, I was like, nope, not doing it. I just bought 400 bucks of Luna, gonna sell a little on the way up. FOMO eats me up, man. Don't FOMO. Like, if you feel FOMO, just wait for some kind of pullback. Doesn't matter what kind of pullback, what kind of pullback, what kind of time frame. It's all good. It's all good, man. But yeah, Ethereum breaking out, guys. Ethereum breaking out. This looks nice. Ethereum breaking out right now. So Ethereum is going. Bro, check VChain out. VChain is up 5%. There is 3 videos on YouTube, guys. For everybody asking for VChain, Cardano, XRP, there are 3 videos on YouTube right now. Okay, this is where we are right now. You got a VeChain, XRP and Cardano less than 1 hour ago. Go check these out. VeChain, XRP and Cardano. We smart money, TLFM for life. I don't know if you're smart money, you know, but we got at least the moon money. We got the moons going on for us, man. Where can Tron go? I don't know, man. To the moon? I think everything is going to the moon. Everything is gonna go get a pump. Guys, look at this up here. Let's see Tron. Tron didn't actually do that well in the previous run, if I remember correctly. I mean, lately it did, you know, do the move. It was pretty late boomer, you know, but how much did it do? 2007. So it did better than Litecoin, and it did better than Litecoin at least. You know, everything is doing the same kind of move right now. Everything is doing the same kind of move right now. Depends on where the breakout is. You know, it's gonna go to some kind of 0.2 level up here, and that's something from right now, something like 88%, like 100% towards the upside. FTM prediction. I'm looking at 3.6 or something like that around FTM. Is it 3.6? What's FTM target right now up here? I gotta write 3.5 or something like that. So it's like 40% from right now. I think that's the first target right now. So you're gonna see, you know, how it goes about it. How about DOT? Will it break all-time high today? I don't know if DOT will break all-time, but you know, it did break, you know, certain level to the upside. So we've been watching it, you know. But will it actually break today or not? I don't really know. The only important part was, for me at least, getting above this level up here. So it got you know, above level, got you know, down in a pullback, and right now going up above this resistance up here. So it is going towards the upside. Now I said, you know, to my patrons that you know, this can take a while because it's not this isn't Dodge Daddy, this isn't Shiba Inu. Whatever, yeah, it can take a little while to get to the target up here, but you know, it will do that eventually. Evening, Edward, how you doing? Can you do Link? Why is everybody so excited about Link? Why is everybody so excited suddenly about Link? I don't know. Suddenly I hear about a lot of Link talk. So yeah, tell me what's up with Link right now? Are there some kind of news? What's happening, guys? What's happening? Why is everybody excited about Link? Yeah, Link had 5.7% pump to the resistance up here, 200 moving average on the daily. Next target is definitely something like 20% up for Link to the resistance up here. Is this the one? Yeah, maybe. I don't think it's this one. It must be this one. I don't think it's this one. I think it's this one up here. Yeah, so it's Link is looking for next 20% move up, 17% move towards the upside soon. When is that gonna happen? I don't know, but it is sitting on some kind of resistance support down here. You know, you got the bigger line up here. You got the 20 moving average. You got these you know, resistance that you are trying to break. You see this 200 moving average? How nicely this is trying to break 200 moving average. Like no. Right now, you know, eventually it breaks and goes towards the upside. I think, you know, it's gonna be either today or tomorrow it's gonna break it. Dent looks good. Yeah, Dent looks very good. Dent looks indeed very, very good. A lot of altcoins are looking very, very good, guys. I like everything looks good. The problem is right now picking, you know, not going like crazy, you know, picking this and that and this and that. You know, pick something and stick with it until it pumps, you know. I don't think DOT will break all-time high. I don't know if it's gonna break DOT. Just said, like, don't you follow what I'm saying, man? I said we are right now not interested in whether it's gonna break all-time high today or not. You know, all-time high, the way I see it for the for DOT is right now being broken already, 44. You know, these closes are more important to me than the tops, right? These tops like doesn't mean anything, like, but these closes are very, very important. Closing above these on the weekly time frame, that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm interested in, right? On the daily, it's all the way down at 47. You know, so whether we're gonna come up here or not, like at 50, like it really doesn't matter. Really doesn't matter, right? It really doesn't matter. What matters is, you know, that we are pumping above the resistance up here. We are pumping above the resistance. We got in the, you know, in the retracement right now, pumping again. You know, that's good, man. That's good. Whether we get our all-time high today or not, We still got like 2 months left, guys. 2 months left. Candle MATIC also, they usually draw your lines off the body or the wicks or of the candles. Trend lines are always 100% wicks. Bodies are for horizontal support and resistance lines. 499, Dodge Daddy coin. Thanks, man. 499. I love the money, man. I love the money. I'm gonna do so many coins for you, man. So many coins. Okay, let's see. MATIC. MATIC, what's MATIC doing? 4% today. MATIC also broke outside, and it's doing the exact same move that Polkadot is doing, you know, pullback, and right now going above. So once it gets above 159, this is gonna go fast towards upside. Now, how fast is gonna go to 2.76? I don't know. It might take time. It might take time, but you know, it is above the trend line up here. It is above the trend line, and it did get in this you know, pullback, and right now it can go, because you know, you have to understand, MATIC did like 37% move towards the upside up here, and it has to have some kind of pullback on the downside. So it had a pullback, and right now it's slowly climbing towards the upside, and once it breaks this 1.59 level, it's gonna go up faster again. And when it comes to the trend line, you know, trend lines are, let me just do it like this up here. When you are drawing trend lines, always use wicks. Doesn't matter what kind of wicks. Never use the bodies. Never use the bodies. Always the wicks. Always the wicks. 100% of time wicks, and you want to have a hell of a lot of times hitting on the wicks. Bodies are used for drawing horizontal support and resistance lines. Okay, so horizontal support and resistance lines, you use the bodies, not the wicks. Like this up here, right? So I hope that helps, man. I hope that helps. Thanks for the bucks, man. I appreciate it. Kindly check Sun. I think Sun pumped. I think Sun pumped. Yeah, Sun pumped. People have been telling me about Sun pumping. Sun pumped 90%, 23% right now. And they have been talking about it yesterday. I was like, no, man, Sun. And I was going, and you know what I did? I went and checked Sun, man. I went to CoinCap. And I checked Sun. I was going like, okay, Sun. Up here, sunrise. Is sunrise? The sun rises, yeah, this one, right? Nah, it's not this one. Yeah, I checked this one. Oh, it's different sun. Okay, it's different sun. It's different sun. Okay, it's different sun. So I don't know what this is. The moving averages are kind of, you know, messed up, but. Okay, so the first thing I want to ask you, let's see the weekly time frame. Let's see the resistance lines, support lines. This is getting broken. Next is all up here, right? You want to know that. You want to also know some kind of trend lines, right? Where are the trend lines? But the problem with trend lines, these are going towards upside, not on downside. So you know, the trend lines are going up there, right? Might hit it up here, but I don't know how correct these are. Give or take. Let's see 4 hourly. Yeah, the 4 hourly actually hitting this resistance nicely, and I'm bouncing off of that. See daily. I don't see the trend line. The trend line I don't see. Maybe up there. Hard thing to figure out, and moving average is up here. It is above all the moving average, so it's nice. It cannot tell you much. It doesn't have that much data. Need Shiba Inu to get to 3 cents. I don't know if Shiba Inu is gonna get to 3 cents, man. I don't know if Shiba Inu is gonna get to 3 cents, man. I think that's a big hopium. So much barbecue sauce. Harmony is pumping madly. Harmony. I actually liked Harmony for a while now, and I was telling people like, Harmony looks good, man. Harmony looks good, but people are not listening, man. Right now, Harmony has this triangle up here that broke out of the triangle. So what's happening is going up to this resistance right now, and once this breaks the resistance, it's gonna go another pump. Hardware looks good. NG up 20% today. Yeah, NG coin right up 20% today. There's a lot of good coins right now, but you know they are not out of the resistance. I know you like. I need for BTs to keep making this possible. Engine 21. Ron, did you change from a dent to engine? That's what I want to know. Need Elon Musk to tweet about WeChat. I don't think Elon Musk gonna, you know, if it doesn't have a cute dog face or a cat face or bunny face, I don't think he's gonna. So are we gonna hit my target, guys? I'm gonna hit my target up here. Where is the target? 2, exactly on the 2, on the dollar. You guys, we're gonna hit that. I'm gonna hit that. I think we're gonna hit that. I think it wants to hit that. I think it wants to hit that. Let's see up here. How much is that? 27% up. Yeah, it definitely wants to hit that. It wants to hit that. Are my lines good, guys? Are my lines good? Are my... Let's see here, guys. Let's see here. If my lines are decent enough. It's, you know, technical analysis is all about lines. Either you got good lines or you don't. 23.64. What are your top 5 altcoins, brother? Everything is a top 5 altcoins. Dude, we are entering soon the altcoin season, and I don't think you understand. Everything is gonna pop. Everything. Let's maybe check this on the 1 hourly time, 1 minute time frame. Oh, it looks like it wants to go, but maybe I don't know if it has enough power right now. I don't have a second chart. Oh no, no! Come on, a little bit more, like up here to 2.05. You can do that. Just pile. No, come on. We had like a good chance to get 205 here. No. Yeah, what's up with SIA coin? Let's do something else while this is happening. SIA, it's a long time since I checked SIA. See, I don't have any lines on SIA. So let's draw some lines up here, guys. 200 moving average getting pretty close. I'm gonna add SIA to my chart because I know a lot of people are talking about it. So I'm gonna add this to my chart just so I have it down there. Let's see what SIA is doing up here. First of all, of course, everything is gonna pump, so we know that, but we wanna know when it's gonna pump. This is engulfing, so we're not gonna use engulfing. We're gonna use the down here. Let's see how this looks on the downside up down here. Probably not this one. Maybe something like this. Yeah, this looks more legit. Let's go to the daily time frame and see if we can get us the. It wants to use this one up here, though. It wants to use this one up here. Yeah, it also corresponds very nicely with 200 moving average, so maybe this is the line. So what is it? But it uses this up here, man. We don't want to use this one. And it's not this one up here. I don't think it's this one. I know it looks like it, but I don't think it's that one. I don't think it's that one. I think maybe it's up here somewhere. Yeah, this might seem more legit, but how this looks on the weekly? All the way down there. Yeah, this must look. Yeah, I like this one. I like this one a lot. I think it's this one. I think it's this over here. Let's see here how it's actually looking down here. Looks nice. Looks nice. It's symmetrical. It's nice. I think it's this one. I think it's this one. Then you got then you have this 200 moving average right up here. It's not on the dollar there though. Yeah, this is also very nice. Maybe it's this one. Let's see how this looks on the weekly. On the weekly it just doesn't hit anything, man. The problem is on the weekly it doesn't hit anything. It hits these two, but it hits nothing. But I like it on the daily. I like it on the daily, man. I like it on the daily. And the biggest reason why I like it is the, you know, confluence with the 200 moving average down here. It's in the ballpark area. Yeah, weekly looks like it's gonna pop soon up here, no problem on the weekly once it starts breaking this on the upside. Daily looks like it's gonna pop. Yeah, it looks nice. First move up to the 200 moving average up here was that's something like 8% up, and after that, you know, it's gonna be a lot more. This looks like some kind of cup and handle pattern up here, with a kind of weird cup and handle pattern. I don't know what am I gonna call it. Maybe this is a cup and handle pattern. So it's gonna do nice moves. It's gonna do nice. It does look nice. Someone keep it up here. Where am I gonna put it? I just need to put it in some kind of a batch up here. What's the coins, man? Interesting coins. Fear. No, it's small triangles on the line. It's not on the line. Middle dwellers. It's fine. SafeMoon pumping thanks to Selena. I haven't seen SafeMoon pumping though. Somebody sent me SafeMoon is pumping, but it's not pumping that much. I mean, it's this is Kuma. What's that? No, Kuma. SafeMoon. It's not pumping that much, man. It's not pumping that much. Bitboy believes Ada will get to 8. I mean, he might be right. I don't know. It is going up a little bit. Ada right now sitting at 2, so 8 is not out of the question. It's only 4x. Sure, why not? SafeMoon Binance, do your own research. What? SafeMoon is not on Binance. What are you talking about? Oh, you think it's gonna get listed on Binance? Nah. I don't know about that, man. I don't know how Shiba Inu got listed on Binance, but you know, if Shiba got listed on Binance, then maybe there is a room for SafeMoon to be at least on Binance as well. Not yet, but it will be. Yeah, that's gonna explode the price. I gotta go and get me something more to drink. So guys, just chill with Selena. You're free to chill with Selena, and I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. Wait, stream cam. I'm just gonna turn off like stream cam and have some chill music in the background. So you know. Yeah, it broke out. We had more traction during 2017 than right now. Look down here, nothing, man, nothing's happening. This is Norway. Worldwide. Okay. Yeah, like we got a long way to go towards upside, guys. We need to mainstream to FOMO in, you know. So you know we gotta pump these numbers up. Let's see Dogecoin. Wow. Nothing, nada. Shiba, you know, up here, and then down. Pump, and right now nothing. Lol, ordering Lambos. You just saw that now. But Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin got a long way to go towards the upside, man. You know, to see that kind of, you know, the kind of, what am I gonna say, the kind of, you know, euphoria that we saw in 2017. You know, we gotta pump the price, guys. I think if price goes to like 200,000 or something like that, maybe even above that, I think we're gonna see these kind of levels. I think we're gonna see these kind of levels. I cannot see that. Okay, up here you can see we are just about here, right? So you know, to see these kind of levels up here, I think we gotta push the price above 200k, guys. 200k. We broke the new daily active address all time yesterday, 1.62 million active address. Guy, if you need better, where is it? If you want 20% off the fees, right? There's a link down below here. I'm shilling links, guys, I'm shilling links. You get 20% off on Binance. And that's 20% off the fees, and then you use BNB as well, you can get it down to like 50% down. Actually 40% down. You can get the fees down by 40% on Binance if you are buying and selling on Binance. So you know, if you need some kind of link, 20% off, you can use this link up here. Just putting it out there, you know. When have you been in a barbershop last time? Last Christmas, just before Christmas, I went to the barbershop. So maybe it's about time again, I do that one more time. Is this gonna go just like bam right down here again? Did the NG coin get to the target? Nah. 199. Close. Very close. Close, but no cigar. Market siphon wants the granny hat. I don't know if that's the time right now for granny hat. It's not on the trading view, so that means that I gotta do, you know, this stuff up here, you know. Value. Not much I can do about it. It's new stuff. It's new stuff. So you know, it's getting to back to all-time high after 1 month. So it's not a trending view. Just pumping. What is this guy? Value. What is the value? They use so many big words, you know, you're like, man, what the F? We are providing rich ecosystem to support the adoption of NFTs through a multi-chain platform with an obsession for user experience. They offers a suite of products and services to help fuel adoption and make NFTs accessible to everyone. Join us as we prepare for the metaverse future. Metaverse, isn't that new Facebook? Join us as we prepare for the Facebook future. All roads lead to value. That's nice. That's nice. Sign up for early relaunch. Is this listed on anything, man? Market. It's on Pancake Swap, Lbank, Hotbit. Minus 18% down. How did you find this? Captain, how did you find this? Or who told you about it? Like, or what link did you click to get there? Man, I tried to draw some lines on XDZ charts and I couldn't make out anything. Hope you get it too if you have time. The Nikolic, man. I'm saying that's your FOMO play, bro. Just want a FOMO. I'm just hitting up with one. Not yet. So, but what is value? What is value? Why is Way doing stuff? How much did we do? Like 8x already from bottom, 4x. 4x in 10 days. That's better than say than any kind of S-coin. Shocked my friends by calling this on the 6th October. Would not be possible without TLA. Hit the like button. Nice. I know, probably some new stuff that's gonna pump a little bit and then it probably crash. Rubic RBC with wheel. That thing died out. RBC. That thing died out. I don't want verse ether. Let's see here on the coin. But Rubic got very nice meme. It has this very 2.6%. Let's see up here. Just first eat, right? Is that no? It doesn't have to. Rubic exchange. Did they fix the exchange? Okay, now loading. Oh, nice. They finally fixed the exchange. So maybe it's gonna do something now. Okay, let's check it on DEX. Seems to be coming back. It does. I don't know, man. No, this one. Last time I checked this, it died so hard. Yeah, this is the dead. Yeah, it does. It is coming back already. Man, it's coming back. Yeah, it's too late. This is the part to be buying. You know, this part August, May. This is the bottom. You know, I've been watching it up here. You know, it exploded up here and it was up here. But after, you know, the top, it was just, you know, once it broke the trend down here, like it was done. I stopped watching it, but it you know, it didn't do anything. I didn't see this. I didn't see this part up here. Already 3x. I don't know, man. I don't know if this is gonna, you know. I don't know how it's gonna perform. Oh, sorry, that was not the daily. This is daily. This is not the daily. Wait. This cannot beat, man. This cannot beat. What did I click right now? What did I click? No, this is value. I went back in time. I just pressed this. Show me the chart. Okay, let's go reload this. I don't know why it's not showing the exact chart. It's showing value, but I don't want to see this one. There we see there is P. Let's go to daily. Yeah. So it is coming back. It is doing. You know, but I'm gonna show you. A very nice commercial for you guys. YouTube Rubic meme or something like that. I think it's Rubic meme. There is a very nice. It's called RBC, right? There was a very nice video on the Rubic. I don't know what happened to it. There was a very nice video. Maybe Rubic RBC new video. Something like that, I think. 3 hours ago, turns one time. This guy. It's a long time since I looked at the goddamn video, but you know, it's a very nice video, and what is it called, man? It's called Rubic music video music promote something. This one on the marketing. Yeah, this one. This is so good. This is so good, guys. This is so good. This is so nice. I think we gotta watch this. Wait. How am I gonna do this? First, I click F11 on this one, right? Then I click this one on this one, and then I click this one. One more time. We gotta do it one more time. Now, if you don't buy Rubic after listening to that, I don't know what's gonna get you to buy Rubic. You know, the first time I listened to this, I wanted to buy Rubic, but unfortunately, Rubic was, you know, crashing on the downside. Where was it? You know, it was down here, and I was like, no, I'm not gonna get that right now, you know. But I like this so much, man. I like this so much. There must be high AF. Yeah, that was Greta in the video as well. So, best video ever. I think I like the music. I like everything that has a fast beat, you know. And that's nice. But I really enjoyed the commercial. And the first time I saw it, like I was like, what's Rubic, guys? What's Rubic? Let's check out Rubic. Hunter Moon dump. There is no Hunter Moon dump, man. Bitcoin's 2.87. Like, there is absolutely zero problem with Bitcoin. I don't think it's gonna start dumping before we get some kind of 80k or something like that. More plays. No dates. I'm getting dipsy. It was like Teletubbies on crack. Bit is 345k, 643 by 4:54 a.m. 6 December 2021. That's 2 days off, man. You're a strange one, TLA. See, alright, back up again. Nothing's happening, guys. What's the song called, by the way? I think we already wrote the copyright on this video, so you know we can at least figure out the song. How do I figure out the song? One 217, right? That's lyrics 1 2 17, right? Something like that, right? This is one. Nightcore, Rockefeller Street. Yeah. I think I just like the song. I get really hyped up when I'm listening to, you know, fast beat stuff. Nice. Bang. Luna 16% up. Nice. Engine 22 is done. Maybe we're gonna go. You watch a lot of anime, bro. This is not anime, man. This is the first one used in the video. Stars, Julian, Amanda. Okay, let's do that. Stars, Julian, Amanda. There's one. Oh, this is nice. Fast beat. You can hear it from the start. It's nice. So what are we gonna do, guys? The new Dodge Daddy? I don't know. Yeah, fast beat, man. That's the stuff. I see a potential new channel intro. FTM is gonna blast through everything soon, not yet. Chipmunk Happy Hardcore. I'm too old for this. Yeah, I'm too old for that as well, but you know, when I was like 20 or something like that, this was the stuff, man. China bans this song. Chipmunk Happy Hardcore. Oh, that's nice. What's it called? Rasputin. But the mix, Rasputin mix, what is called? The fast beat, maybe. Fast beat. I don't remember what's it called. This one, I think. Nightcore. Look at Scooter from, yeah, Scooter was epic, man. Good stuff, good stuff. It's good for pumping song. Back in the house. So is the engine gonna hit the target up here? Don't know. What is good? 1 inch up 10%, man. Good target. Amigo, hello from Russia. What are we saying? I'm not sure. Where he needs adrenaline to survive. No, it's okay. But you know, anything with fast beats, it just got me so excited about stuff. Oh, okay. It was empty. It's fine. Don't you get a copyright strike? Yeah, I do. So there will be no money making on this video. It's fine. So that's that. I you know, this kind of music does not fit well with the, you know, live stream stuff. You know, just too hardcore. But I like, you know, anything with fast beat is fine for me. It gets me excited, you know. So when I wanna, you know, do stuff, you know, fast beat. Hi PL, how you doing, man? What's up? What's up? So what are we gonna do? We checked BTC. BTC is not doing anything, you know. We are past, you know, past the hype. Past the hype. What time is it right now? It's not that late. It's this is a 4-hourly candle, 2 4-hourly candles on downside, so you know, a little bit down. Is this crypto chat or nightclub? whatever makes you spanks your monkey, man. Ethereum 5% out, 3% up. You know, so I was expected to pump. It pumped. Nice. What do you want to see, guys? What do you want to see? Dodge is strong. Yeah, Dodge is good, looking good, guys. Dodge is looking good. Dodge looks fine. It's having a pullback, but beside that, it looks fine. Do you think ARA has run this cycle? Nah, it's gonna go more. Luna, please. Luna is doing fine, man. Luna is up 16%. Let's see up here. Daily. We call this a bottom chaser, you know, but right now it's just pumping, you know. It can go all the way up to the next target up here at 53. So you know, that's what I'm looking at right now, at least. Right now, I don't think it's gonna go today, but you know, Luna can definitely go like 23% more up to the next target. And any long, if it's a long entry, like you want to just want like anything is jump, anything that didn't do 20% today is fine. In my book, anything that didn't do 20% is fine in my book today. Like anything that did like 3-4% today, it's fine. I think like. Maybe it can do another try up to the line. Maybe another try. That would be very nice, you know. Vet chain, please. There, it's on YouTube. I just did vet chain. DXY did 6% today. Let's see here on the daily how this actually looks. You know, the problem with DXY, it was in this triangle, right? It was this triangle, and it broke that, and we create a bigger triangle. It broke that as well. So until it actually gets back above 10 and 20 moving average, you know, I won't touch this. Maybe it's on some kind of button right now, but I won't touch it until it gets back above the 10 and 20 moving average. So if you see here, this is the 10 and 20 moving average. Until it gets back above the 10 and 20 moving, I won't touch this actually. It does look kind of bad. It looks like it, you know, down here holding the 200 moving average right now, back above the 200 moving average. So maybe if you can keep, maybe it's at some kind of button right now. Maybe it's some kind of button right now, but you know, it has to, you know, do the pump, you know, it has to do the pump towards the upside up here, like 10-15% up here. How much is that on daily? Yeah, that's something like, yeah, 10% towards the upside. It has to do 10% towards, and you know, jump up here, you know, to get bullish again. But right now it is just holding the support right now on the 4 hourly. So we're gonna see how long it's gonna do that. 1 inch, yeah, 1 inch did nice. We just looked at 1 inch right now. What is 1 inch? 995, hitting the resistance right now. I don't know if it's gonna break, but I think it's done for today. DXY is going down, so that's why Bitcoin is pumping. DXY is going down. DXY is going down. You can see here it's going down, and we also said this might actually continue for a couple of months or a couple of weeks. This is only the first week, so it might actually go down, you know, 1 month, 2-3 months or something like that, a little bit on the downside up here until bull run. That's why I'm thinking like the rest of the bull run is gonna last for like 2 months tops, right? And while this is going downwards, that might, you know, that might be it, and then it's gonna turn around, and then we're gonna have like extreme, you know, dump in Bitcoin. But this part over here, that's the bull run, and when it starts going up, you know, Bitcoin is gonna crash like crazy. At least that's what we're thinking right now. YFI, nobody's talking about YFI, man. Nobody's talking about it. It's so boring, nobody's talking about it. I mean, it is getting ready to, you know, go up and stuff like that, but at one point Yearn Finance was like was looking good, you know, and pumped pretty hard up here because it was just released. So everything that just released pumps hard, right? And then it had another pump up here, and right now it's looking to break out of the triangle, right? But it has to go to this 200 moving average, and this triangle is actually pretty legit. So the first move should be something like up here right now, something like 10% towards the upside before it breaks out, and breakout it should pump. So everything is looking for this breakout. DApp altcoins will pump now, maybe in a few weeks. We gotta break the downward support on DXY and have a super, like, I don't know, man. I don't know, like, that would be nice. That would be nice if you do break on the downside, like if you do break this on the moving average, something like I'm seeing this can actually go all the way down here, right? Actually can go all the way down here and hit this 200 moving average, and then bounce again, you know, towards the upside and get some kind of expanded channel up here, right? So that might be one option that's going to happen, right? You have this expanding channel, and right now you go down there, and then, you know, so this is the bull run. This is the bull run, right? This is the bull run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. Maybe we need a little bit more down. I don't know, and then towards the upside. But if you break this on downside, like super cycle. RSR looking like a nice forex. RSR, what's RSR doing right now? Where is it on my list? Ren Reef, not here, not here, not here, not here. So many sections, you know. It would be nicer if this wasn't sectioned and everything would be in one spot. There's it, RSR. Is the downtrend broken? That's what I want to know. Is the downtrend broken? It's close to breaking the downtrend down here. RSR looks like it wants to break out soon, and once it breaks out, I think it's gonna go pretty high up. The first resistance should be up here at 30% up to 200 moving average, and after that, who knows how far this is gonna go. RSR, right? It had a pretty nice move towards the upside ever since Corona dumped like 12,000% towards the upside. So we're gonna keep on watching this, because this downtrend is about to be getting broken right now. I think that's it. The downtrend, then the pump, then the triangle. Nice. I think I got it. Nice. If you go down further on the DXY, inflation will be insane, but so will the Bitcoin run. Yeah, if DXY goes down, inflation is insane. But that's why, you know, the girl from the ARK Invest, I don't know what her name is, she's also, you know, with me on the deflationary path. So both me and she and some other people are thinking, you know, deflation is the way to go. And I think deflation, yeah, we're gonna have deflationary crash and not deflationary crash. So it's a different type of crash. So who in here loves me enough to go to work for me tonight and wants me to babysit some inmates? You work in a prison, mate? Nice. That must be a very chill job, though. Okay, you in there, you out there, you don't do that, you do that. Okay, let's see up here. So yeah, deflationary crash. Is there something called deflationary crash? Deflationary crash. A high debt situation becomes unsustainable when the rate of economic growth falls beneath the prevailing rate of interest owned. The resulting cascading of debt liquidations leads to a deflationary crash. So I think this is the most likely scenario than inflationary crash. So I think deflationary crash, because we have so much debt all around the world, and right now this high debt situation becomes unstable when the rate of economic growth falls beneath the prevailing rate of interest owned. Not quite sure what that means in some kind of numbers sense, if it's possible to say that. But the resulting cascading of debt liquidation, so they start debt liquidating because, you know, it's impossible to pay it back. You know, you get cascading of debt liquidations leads to deflationary crash. So that's what I'm looking for. I think that's gonna happen. I don't think the inflation is the way to go, because, you know, the debt has been, you know, piling up for such a long time. There is absolutely no way to repay any of this debt. So, you know, we will have deflationary crash. The captain part of my name is, yeah, now I get it, now I get it. Now I get it, yeah. Let me see some coins up here. What am I interested in right now? It's Dodge is 4.16, but it doesn't have that downtrend. Maybe downtrend down here, but it's not actually downtrend. Let's see, Anchor. Did Anchor have it? No. I'll go still Atom. Eagle. Oh, Eagle tried to go on, and then nope, not today. Soon, maybe soon. And there's so many good coins, guys. There's so many good coins, and a lot of coins are waiting. Failed. I don't think we're gonna get 2.05 on this one. There's so many good coins right now, guys, and everything looks like it's ready to pop out. So many good coins. The thing you don't want to do, you don't want to, here's what you know, you don't want to FOMO into the 20% pumps. Oftentimes when you FOMO into 20% pumps, you will get some kind of pullback, right? Sometimes there comes, you know, continuous pumping 20% and you do fine, but more than that you get a couple days of pullback. And what happens is those pullback is that you buy the top and it goes down and you think it's done because you don't know the technical analysis, and then you sell and then it pumps again, right? Right now everything will pump until Bitcoin you know, until Bitcoin finishes its cycle. So it's only about a matter of time. But if you buy the 20% pumps, it's likely that you're gonna have to wait a couple of days or more for the price to, you know, pull back a little bit. That's just normal way to do this stuff. So when I had, you know, pumped hugely up here, and then it took a long time, you know, to go through the consolidation, and right now it's pumping, right? So we gotta go sideways now for BTC. Avoid smack too hard on the moving averages 1 hourly. Bitcoin is not doing anything much on the 1 hour. Let's see here. I just might actually hold it the 1 hourly. It's not that a big deal. It is a little bit extended, so yeah, I think we're gonna see a lot more movement right now. Either sideways move, something like that. But let's see here. There is no problem with Bitcoin, guys. There is no problem with Bitcoin. Everything looks nice. Everything goes up. Nothing overbought, especially that's giving us any kind of worries right now. Super nice, super nice. Everything looks super nice, guys. Everything looks super nice. Everything is good. Bitcoin's fine. If Bitcoin is fine, altcoins are fine. If altcoins are fine, everything's gonna fine. BT is going to crash. No, it's not. Do you think we come down to the all-time high and go up again, or could that beat? I don't think you're gonna see 60k. Oh, you mean 65k? I mean 65k. That's you know, that's up here. All right, so that's 64,800. Let's see here on the daily. So you know, can we go to 64.8? Sure, why not, man? See down here, that's down here, 64.8. Can we go down there? Sure, no problem. It's nothing, it's nothing, it's literally nothing, like 1.62%. You will still be in green. Can you go down here? Sure. Will we do that? I don't know, maybe. Is LTC a better deal than ETH? No. LTC exactly the same, has exactly the same moves as Bitcoin. 15,000% up during the bull market previous time. Both BTC and LTC, and we know that ETH has better gains than Bitcoin. Therefore, therefore Ethereum is better than LTC. Up here, 3,700%, and Litecoin had 1,500%. So Ethereum did 2 times better than Litecoin. Do you think BNB will reach 1,000? Yes, I think. Because it's just a double from where it's now. Still waiting for confirmation so I can open my final. What kind of confirmation are you waiting for? 60k, like I'm gonna give you confirmations right now, okay? Here we go to Bitcoin. I'm gonna give you confirmations. Breaking this level up here at 51.8 was very decent confirmation. Breaking this up here at 60 was confirmation. Getting to all-time high at 66 is confirmation. Like, what kind of confirmation do you need? There is nothing on MACD over here. You avoided the bearish cross. You went up. That's a good confirmation. There is no divergence up here. That's a good confirmation. Like, everything is looking superb. Like, this continue going towards the upside, just climbing slowly without any divergence. That's a good confirmation in my book. Like, what kind of confirmation are you looking for, man? What kind of confirmation are you looking for? That's what I want to know. What's gonna make you think like, okay, man, this is fine? Plan B state we close the month at 63, so any pumps higher before the end of month will surely eat the longs who don't pay attention. I don't know, yeah, about the plan B, he did get the first two correct, so I'm really excited about it. But right now, you know, we are at 63, about 63, so, you know, if he pull back the next 10 days, I think he's gonna get the next one wrong, because there is no, I think there is no way we can stay around 63 up here. Let's see. Extensions, like we can pull back, but you know, you can see here once we start 1 2 3 4 5, you know, we had like 2 small weeks in red, 2 weeks, and that's it, and these 2 weeks up here, you know. So like right now after 4 candles getting the getting a pullback down to 63 and then staying there for 2 weeks, I don't think so. Plan B gives worst case. Okay, then in that case, that's nice. Confirmation on the all-time high. All-time high is confirmed. It's gonna run its course. So above 63. Well, then plan B is correct for the 3rd time. So 3 out of 5. So plan B right now has 3 out of 5 correct scores. So that's good. That's better than a lot of other people are having it. Anything on MATIC had a pullback, right now it's gonna blast off to the moon. Right? That's the plan, man. That's the plan. When will be altcoin time to pump? When Bitcoin hits 80k, at least what I think. NKN. By the way, NKN 177 is breaking the resistance, is going higher. Look nice. Soon. Told her to try to break it right now, just waiting for these moving averages and it's gonna blast. What will you be looking at for the bear market to buy up NFA? I have absolutely no know what NFA is. I just think any moves on BTC going higher will trigger a sell-off by the whales, so the longs get eaten just like a month ago, but they want more this time around. I don't know, man. The supplies is low, the price goes up, the mainstream, you know, moms and dads are still not in. So what do you think it's a good time to buy any altcoin? I think it's a good time like any other, like not financial advice, but you know, Bitcoin is going higher. Like there is no indication that Bitcoin is going to drop anytime soon, and as long as that indication is there, altcoins might be, you know, a good time to, you know, stake up, because at one point they will explode eventually, you know. Would you advise anyone to short this current market? And no, that's crazy. Why would you short, you know, bull run? Okay, let me explain my situation. I want to open an ETH position and I'm really scared of liquidation flushes. With a 5x leverage, I've got a liquid at 3.2 and yeah, well, you should be scared. You are doing leverage. Why would you do leverage, man? You are on your own. If you are scared, if you don't know what you're doing, you should not be doing leverage, man. Okay? If you are scared, you should not be doing leverage. I know you are greedy, you want big money, you want to do 5x, you know, to get a lot of money and stuff like that, but you don't know what you're doing, so looking for somebody to help you. But leverage, you know, you can get wrecked. 5x, that's you think that's a little bit, but you know, with one drop down, you can get wrecked. Can you get wrecked right now? You know, I cannot help you with that. If you're scared by SafeMoon, yeah, it's safe. Do ETF trades safer? I don't know if that's safer. I'm actually starting to see some red on my... By the way, HEX is doing awfully bad. HEX reached some kind of top up here. This is the biggest loser on my chart right now. Shiba 0.8. 4. Yeah. I use 5 cents more and I don't care if I lose. Why won't you care, man? 10x is better. 50x is best. 100x, superb. No, not hex. Do not underestimate the power of stuff. So when DXY goes down, hex goes down. I'm wondering if hex and DXY are correlated. Let's see that. We're gonna do up here. DXY. Let's add this to the ranking chart as well. Regular chart. I don't know, maybe a little bit, yeah. It would be interesting if we did correlate with DXY. I'd rage a bit to buy more coins, NFA. Not financial advice. I was going to buy hex at 8 cents, but I couldn't figure out how to buy it. Then you cannot, if you don't know how to buy hex, then you probably don't know how to buy anything else, because you know, you don't know how to use dexes. You know, Uniswap, 1inch, Sushi Swap, all of these, you know, dexes, they sell hex, man. XRP and DXY are inversely correlated. You mean like crypto? And as guys, it's been nice day. It's been nice day. There is not much happening, you know. The hype is gone. The hype is gone. Bitcoin is right now retracing a little bit. That's fine as well. Retracing a little bit, so we're gonna see, you know, how much down it retraces. But yeah, some coins pumped. We're gonna see after daily close if there comes anything else up, if some coins do better than other coins. If you're not on Patreon right now and you want to know what coins I'm looking at, what coins are good, what coins are not, check it out. I'm using MetaMask with Chrome. Is it safe? It's safe as long as you don't you know, start installing stuff on your computer, because MetaMask is very easily hacked. Like extremely easily. So, you know, as long as you take your precaution, you know, you don't go out there and say, hey man, I'm using MetaMask, I got 50 billion on MetaMask, you know, nobody's gonna care. Hello Warrior Sensei, you kinda missed it, yeah, we are done now. So yeah, MetaMask is as safe as you are, you know, so if you take your precautions, you know what you're doing, you know, no problem. But you know, if you start downloading stuff, you know, on your PC, you don't know where it's from and stuff like that, you know, people get hacked on MetaMask all the time. It's pretty easy. But then, you know, getting hacked is always easy, you know. The problem with MetaMask is MetaMask don't have 2FA, you know, so. She kept on us. Do you think all this one day will be over? What is all this? Like bull market, of course. But crypto will stay here forever, you know. It's technology. It's not just Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just part of the technology. The blockchain is the technology. It's not going away, you know. Keep it in mind. Technology is not going away. Just like even internet came, you know, there was a lot of companies, you know, and Amazon was just one of those companies on internet. But the technology behind Amazon, behind, you know, behind internet, you know, is stuck around, right? Are you Trust Wallet? I don't know. Does Trust Wallet have a 2FA? I got hacked from Exodus. Yeah, all the walls, if you got something on your phone or on your PC, it's hackable. It's not safe. Okay, that's why banks are using 2FA, meaning, you know, you try to log in, they want you know you to use your phone to confirm your identity and, you know, confirm safe, you know, login and stuff like that, because it's very easily hackable, right? So when you got something like Exodus or MetaMask or anything like that that doesn't have 2FA, it's very, very easily hackable. I'm sorry, but it is. Once gaming goes full speed, nothing. I gotta hack from this, yeah. I don't think this is gonna be the same as the last bar market. I don't foresee it going on for years. I think it will be far less of a time frame. What's your thought? I think it's gonna be a worse bear market than last time. I got millions on my mat, don't tell TLA. Shh. Does DOT have a better chart than VeChain? I think right now it does. Because DOT is already outside of triangle and VeChain isn't. Any info suggestion on Trust Wallet? I don't use Trust Wallet, so I can give you any suggestions on that. Every wallet is not safe, guys. SafeMoon. People are saying, you know, these exchanges like Coinbase and Binance are not safe. They are a lot safer than MetaMask and Exodus and Trust Wallet and all of these other wallets. Why? Because they got 2FA, they got, you know, they got security, and not only that. If Binance or Coinbase gets hacked, they got insurance fund. Okay, so if they lose a lot of money, they're gonna come back and say, hey, here's your money back. You know, we lost your money, but you know, we got the insurance fund. Here's your money back. They got insurance. You know, Ledger is best in my opinion. Ledger can get lost, your house can go in fire, and Ledger can get burned. You know, Ledger is nice because it's a cold wallet, but it's not. You know, you can still lose the Ledger, right? There's no such thing as 100% safe-proof way to store your money. You know, everything can be hacked, everything can be, you know, lost, everything can be, you know, done. You know, even the 2FA, you know, the double check on the identity can be. Can be hacked. Like somebody can take your phone and, you know, log in with it on exchanges where they require 2FA. So there's no such thing as safe. There is no such thing as safe. But you know, there is common sense. Number one, don't tell people how much money you have or how much of this coin or that coin you have. Number two, don't tell people what you use, what kind of piece you use, what kind of wallet you use, what kind of this, what kind of that. Never tell anybody any kind of password. Never tell anybody anything about how you log in, how you do your stuff. Never. Don't download anything from, you know, from crypto websites, from crypto telegram groups, from crypto, you know, from crypto anything, because those people have the most likelihood of putting malicious malware in there to, you know, steal your stuff. So, you know, it's common sense, and the common sense is gonna get you a long way, you know. The phone company are a weak. Yeah, the phone companies are a weak point, definitely. But luckily, you know, people have to go through a lot of lot of pain to get to the through the phone company hack. Are you saying hard walls aren't safe? No, they are safe, but you know, hard walls can get burned in a house, you know. All I'm saying is, like, if you have a ledger, it's a this small stick, you know. You maybe put it here and then you get a visit and somebody steals it. Maybe you hide it behind a you know, some kind of wall or something like that, and then your house gets burned down. You know, anything can happen. Use a second phone not connected to the grid. Yeah, like hard wallets are safer than hot wallets, definitely. But if somebody knows, if you buy a ledger, don't tell anybody you bought a ledger. That's common sense, right? Don't tell your friends, hey man, I just bought a ledger, you know, I'm gonna save my... Don't do that. Why would you tell anybody you have a ledger? Because next time they are visiting your house, they're gonna start snooping into your wardrobe, right? If they know you got ledger and they know you got like 200 billion on a ledger, they might, you know, have incentive to come to you and steal into your house. Don't tell people about stuff, you know. That's common sense. That's the best case you can prevent getting hacked. Like, don't tell people about stuff you have. And don't put all the eggs in one basket. That's right? Yeah, you can recover because, you know, you use the seed phase, and that's how it works. Also, common sense very important, as you were saying. Yeah, it's common sense. Can't tell them I cheat here. So I bought Sunrise yesterday, not so good. Can't even swap it now. Lol, only small amount. Yeah, that's with the low liquidity coins. So you keep your ledger in your wardrobe, lol. I don't own a ledger. Ledger had this, you know, hack where they lost, you know, all the addresses to people that bought ledger. That's insane, man. I don't know how anybody can use ledger after that. That's insane. I know you don't like this so much, but what? Caldinius. But if you're not gonna hold for years, then put in a safe deposit box, which is insured as your local. Yeah, but how much are you gonna insure it for? Emails. What do you think about next meme coins such as Floki? I don't know if that's next meme coin, but you know, all the meme coins only throw away money. Don't put much money on it because everything can go to zero. Can you tell us your thoughts about Herbar? No, I can't. That's for Patreons only. Put in a SafeMoon wallet. There is all kind of ways people are gonna try to steal your money, guys. All kind of ways. The best thing you can do is have common sense. Don't tell people about your money. Keep, you know, some kind of privacy you gotta keep. Don't tell people what you're buying. Don't tell people what you are, you know, using to store your stuff. You're gonna get you a long way. Don't, you know, don't download stuff on your PC, you know, stuff like that. Patreons only. Yeah, Patreons only. We got a daily Altcoins video every single day, you know. So, you know, Patreons get some stuff. Herbar, can we check? No, we can't. We are not checking Herbar. Guys, check Moralis from Ivan Attack. Nice serverless solution for crypto. By the way, is Moralis a coin? This one up here. No, it's not. They'll keep your money cracking. They have a good customer service, or that, you know. People think exchanges are, you know, exchanges get hacked and stuff like. Exchanges, big exchanges are insured. They're insured. Somebody hacks an exchange, you get your money back. Especially the big ones, you know, Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, you know. They got insurance. They got insurance, and they have to have insurance. How big is Coinbase insurance? Okay, only 250 per individual, but they should cover like a lot of people. They probably got something else for the, you know, most people. Like this is gonna cover most people, right? So if you lose 250k or something like that, like you get back. How about Binance? Binance has self-funded, has majority of its insurance fund. She's steadily grown by 15 from its initial 10 million USD. Historical insurance fund. I know, but they do have insurance fund. Starbucks insurance at 250 for bank failure. In case of hack, is Coinbase insured? The email notification and blockchain or Coinbase account will see does not cover theft from individual accounts. As a result, Coinbase is unable to reimburse you for your alleged loss. It's Coinbase insured, like a bank said, they have 3,000. Yes, accepts cold storage. Discover US fiat only, not coins lost. Yeah. She's only one which are only 2% of all coins it has. Stores the majority of its coins. Offline cold storage wallets are not insured. Coins are Coinbase, there's 98% sure. Okay, so 2% is insured. I don't know if Coinbase is exactly the best exchange. Like, if I need to use Coinbase, I would use Pro Coinbase, but I know people using a regular Coinbase, and I have a friend of mine, and she just, you know, tried to buy Shiba Inu, so she used send instead of convert on Coinbase and lost money. So even you know, normal people using Coinbase can, you know, because Coinbase tries to make it very easy for, you know, regular people to buy and sell, but even they get confused by what is send, what is receive, and what is convert. For the record, I really missed the 2 AM live streams you were doing. Much love for all the hard work, brother. Yeah, but I don't know if that's gonna come back, because I use a lot of time right now. Instead of the Bitcoin daily, you know, I use like 1 hour, 1-2 hours before the during that time to research coins and then make the daily altcoins video for the Patreons. So I think it's time well spent on other stuff, because Bitcoin daily is not getting me subs, it's not getting money, it's not getting me anything. So, you know, it's kind of useless for me, you know. I'm giving free stuff, you know, out, but you know, it's not making my channel grow or anything. Like, if I had been getting stuff, if I've been getting subscribers on Bitcoin daily, I would probably continue with that. But I'm not even getting that, you know. So I can't Coinbase supposed to work on my mobile. Do you all have issues with that? Where you're from? None of my friends can use it in their mobile either. I don't know. I have checked. Do you have YouTube awards? Yeah, that's 1,000 subscriber and 10,000. View exchange. No, Pro Coinbase is working on my phone. This is Pro Coinbase. So it's working nicely. VRX. Yeah, it's gonna blast off. This is some of these are very easy to figure out. I think think, well, I thought it was very easy, obviously it's not. Ont, yeah, we check Ont, man. Should be something like this, I think. Warriors inside. I will try to get very active on Twitter, redirect all your followers to your YouTube. That's one way to do it, but it's not the most effective way, and then I have to use a lot of time on YouTube, on Twitter, and I don't want to do that. So yeah, I know how to grow the channel. Like, it's growing right now because I'm making, you know, YouTube videos and stuff like that. Maybe soon, maybe soon. It looks fine, it looks fine, looks fine. It's not necessary for it. Cross up here, that looks fine. Yeah, looks fine, looks fine. Looks fine, everything looks fine. Soon, very soon. Captain, you do that. Send me a message. Ontology. Wow, this is bad, man. Corona dumped to the top 1,300%. This is less than Bitcoin did, man. Bitcoin did 1,500%. This is an altcoin. This is an altcoin that did less pump than Bitcoin, okay? Why do you want to know anything about this crap? 1,300 and Bitcoin did 1,500. Maybe even more. Do you think for December will be the absolute top? Lots of analysts say it will go into 2020. Maybe for December will be another local bottom of retracement. I don't know. Maybe it might be. You know, all we know is between 20 November and 20 December, it's gonna be. You know, there is a big correlation between the moons and the perigee, apogee, and stuff like that. Also, on the 4th of December, it's a new moon that corresponds with a apogee and eclipse at the same time. So it is very important astrological event, and that's why and since these astrological events, these kind of type of astrological events, these supermoons and micromoons, do correspond very well with the bottoms and the tops. We think that it might hit some kind of top or bottom, and right now it looks like it might be some kind of top. Now that might be some kind of local bottom and continue towards the upside into 2022, but we don't know. Now, and this is just astrology, you know, this is just like what we think can do. It doesn't have to do that, but you know, it would be nice if it does that. Go to Ontology web and find out why I think it is good for long term. I don't know if it's good for long term or anything, but when I see something that in the bull run pumped less than Bitcoin, I don't like it, man. It just shows weakness in the price. It means that market don't think Ontology is good. Okay, so if market thought that Ontology was good, the Ontology would have you know, gone towards the upside, but it didn't. It went up, but it went up less than Bitcoin. Less than Bitcoin. Keep in mind that. Keep remembering that. Right now it's like in the same place where it was like what's that, 2018, like 3 years ago. Same place where it was 3 years ago. It's terrible, terrible. There's no way to say how bad this is. It looks like, you know, right now these moving averages are, you know, in one spot, so it has to, you know, pump soon, and the first pump should be up to some kind of the next pump is like 20% pump or something like that, I think. But I don't like coins that haven't performed well in the bull market, especially altcoins that do these kind of moves, like 13,000% of the bull market. It just kind of, like, if you look at it, it just kind of goes sideways. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't do anything. Can it pump? Yeah, sure. I don't know. I think I'm gonna use this one down there. Trend is broken, I think. Yeah, I think trend is broken up here right now. So right now we are not looking to break the trend. We are looking. The trend is broken. The trend is done. But this one up here, I think it's something over here. Yeah. So it's gonna be around 200 moving average up here. I don't see it right now. I don't see the bottom right now, but it really doesn't matter. What matters is this line up here. What matters is 200 moving average is gonna come, start going down here, and you know it's gonna correspond. It's 20% up here, and right now the trend is broken on the downside. So right now it's looking for some kind of bottom around here. It's right now soon it's gonna pump up here. But will it do better than Bitcoin? I don't know, man. I don't know. It doesn't look that good to me right now. This 200 moving average give us this resistance right now. No, I just don't think, you know, you might say the ontology is good, you know, because, you know, I think it's gonna go, you know, but market doesn't feel it's good. If market thought it's good, you know, this would have been pumping, but market says this is just going sideways. For 3 years, even during the bull market, market decides whether this is good or not. You don't have to read the web page. You look at the chart, and because a lot of people like you are looking at the same chart and they are wondering if this is good or not. You know, if it's good stuff, it pumps. But if it doesn't pump, then it's not good stuff. It goes sideways, and this technically goes sideways. Unfortunately it goes sideways. EOS, thanks for the bucks, man. $5 Australian dollars. Love the money. What's up with EOS? Long time since I've looked at EOS. I think I'm just like forget about EOS all the time because it's so boring. 10% a day, nice. So on EOS we got this triangle going on here. I think, yeah, this triangle, give or take. Yeah, it did this move above the 50 moving average. That's the first. See here, tried, could not hear it doing the first move. So right now I think it might get some kind of pullback, sideways moves on the 50 moving average, and then go to the 200 moving average. After that it's gonna go to the triangle top up here. So the entire move should right now be around something 26% towards the upside up here, just to get out of the triangle. Now how long time it's gonna use to get out there, how long time, you know, this is the trick, like, because it's really hard to decide how long time it's gonna, because it's different if it goes pumps and it's up there in a couple of days in the 4th of November or on 20th of November. Like, how long are you willing to wait for the 20% pump? That's the question, right? So right now it had a really nice pump, and unfortunately also EOS, just like Ontology, it's not that, you know, not that much hyped coin. Even this move towards the upside, let's see from the bottom down here to the upside. This EOS did 965%. Bitcoin outperformed EOS since the Corona dump by almost 50-60%. Right? If I'm not mistaken, let's calculate first. Let's just take round numbers. 1500 1000. Yeah, 50%. Yeah, so Bitcoin outperformed EOS by 50%. A stable coin, Bitcoin outperformed EOS by 50%. Just remember that, okay? So Bitcoin from the Corona dump to the top went something like 1,500%, and this thing only went 1,000%. Okay. So it is really important to notice this, because you know, we want to know good coins. We want to, you know, increase our money, right? So, you know, Dogecoin, since Corona dump, $68,000%. Okay, since Corona dump, 68,000%. So there is difference in which coins are popular, which coins are pumping, and which coins. When you have something that since Corona dump does only 10,000%, you know, maybe it's not the coin to be looking at. Maybe it's not the coin to be looking at. Yeah, EOS is. I mean, it will pump. I'm not saying, but I'm just saying it won't pump as much as some other coins might pump. That's all I'm saying. I'm saying that there are some boring coins, and boring coins should be avoided. One of those boring coins is Ontology, for example, just like we saw. Ontology should be avoided the way I see it, because it's a boring coin. Now, if it wasn't boring, the market would already recognize Ontology as a good coin, and Ontology would have pumped during the bull market. Now, unfortunately, Ontology didn't pump, right? So these boring coins should be avoided, especially you know, coins that have been going through the bull market right now didn't have the same performance. EOS is another boring coin. EOS is another boring coin and did not pump. It did not get even to the all-time high of previous bull run during the market, right? BSV is a coin nobody gives a F about, right? Also, stablecoin. Look here, right now. You gotta go. You can go back over here to the 19, even to the 20. Like you will be a same point. Like this should be avoided. BSV should be avoided for, you know. Can it pump? Sure, it pumped over here. Here is the Corona dump, I think. Let's see the Corona dump to the top. Corona dump to the top. 436%. So you should definitely avoid these coins. So the thing that you're looking for, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Cash actually had a nice pump up here. Let's see up here from the bottom to the top. Less than Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash had a smaller move than Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash has a smaller move than Litecoin. Litecoin did 15%, 15,000%, 1,500%. This did 1,200%. So coins that are not, you know, haven't performed well in the previous move, why should they perform well now? That's all I'm saying. Slavic, this is my Slavic bro. Yeah, man. What is TRX? TRX, you know, Tron is doing just okay, but even Tron is kind of looking. Tron did fine. You know, you can see here Tron. Also, Tron did 2,700%. So it did outperform Bitcoin, but it did not get above all-time high. It did not get above. But there was a lot of talk about Tron during the last stages up here. Now Tron is looking to, you know, break to the upside. It is climbing up here. It is getting closer and closer inside this triangle up here. You can see here, you know, climbing these moving averages up here. You can see the moving averages right below it. So it's sitting on the moving averages. So it's just about a time before it actually, you know, closes above this level up here. Closes above this level up here and goes all the way to the top resistance. That's up 13%, and then exit towards the upside. But how good Tron is, you know, there is a little bit excitement up at Tron, since Tron has BitTorrent and some other projects around going on, but you know. EOS hasn't started its run yet, and people are going to miss the moon. It's always behind the mark. No, you are delusional right now on stop loss. I'm sorry, but that's delusion. You know, I know, I've seen it before. People see something, people like it, people invest in it, people hope it's gonna go up, and they think it's a great project. But if the market doesn't think it's a great project, then it's not a great project. Now, EOS lost Dan Latimer. They created the block.one created EOS, and they gave to the community. So there is no develop EOS on MetaMask. That's a good thing. Vault optimization. Develop EOS staking pool to improve to August, September. Further develop, upgrade EOS to 3.0. There is nothing, literally nothing going on for EOS roadmap. funding runs each quarter, coding and democratic on-chain election. They're still on this election system going on, like deciding how they're gonna elect stuff, you know, like changing. Like, who cares? Who cares? There is no decent EOS development. There is no nothing. They're just like improving the code. There is nothing. Like, Dogecoin has more hype than EOS. Unfortunately, Dogecoin has more hype than EOS. Kin, yeah, sure. I haven't checked Kin, so I can check Kin because, you know, Kin. But it's not on Binance, so, you know, it doesn't matter. XRP has a lot of community behind it, so XRP. I don't really care whether EOS has a project, good chain or not. Like, we can argue whether the Tron is a good chain, whether Cardano is a good chain, whether Ethereum is a good chain, whether Polkadot is a good chain, whether, you know, we can argue if which chain is better. You know, that's not the thing that pumps the price. The things that pumps the price are the people and the memes that are memeing, you know, that are talking about the future projects, future plans and stuff like that, right? So EOS got nothing that you can say about, hey man, what about EOS? You know, 10 years down the road, where is EOS gonna be? Nobody knows. I don't know. It's just gonna be a blockchain doing something, right? But Dogecoin, hey, 10 years down the road, what's happening with Dogecoin? Elon Musk is accepting Dogecoin for payments. You know, Venezuela is accepting Dogecoin for payments, legal tender. You know, you can say these things, and you got a nice Doge meme coin, you know, and you know that pumps the price. Now EOS, there's nothing that pumping the price of EOS. Unfortunately, nothing in the price pumps the price of EOS. You're literally forgetting who runs these marks. Who is running these marks, man? How goes it? TLA. Goes good, man. Goes good. Goes very good. Dodge to the moon. Yeah, why not? Whales. Nah, they don't. SHIB and Doge are moving huge community behind this. Yeah, SHIB and Doge are definitely having a huge community behind the coins, and you know the retailers, you know, the guys that are not in crypto, they from what I get, they buy SHIB and Doge. They don't buy EOS. They don't buy Bitcoin Cash. They don't buy BSV. You know, they buy Shiba Inu. They buy Dogecoin. They buy whatever it's first, Cardano, you know, they buy these coins that, you know, BitBoy is talking about. EOS are holding Unicorn wedding at Burning Man. What? I feel dirty, but I actually bought me some Doge. That's fine, man. Don't feel dirty about it. Omi is developing the same because of utility. By the way, how's Omi doing? I see a lot of people talk about Omi, so I wanna know what Omi is doing. Omi is actually, you know, all-time high right now. 5,000%, 6,000%, yeah. Omi is doing nice. Right now sitting at the bottom though, sitting at the bottom. This is a small triangle. This is gonna break soon. This is gonna break soon. Well, it can technically go down to 50. I think maybe it's a speed up. Maybe it's a speed up, you know. Maybe it's a speed up right now. So we're gonna see. Let's zoom in on Omi. Oh, it looks like he did. It looks like he did, man. It looks like he did. Yeah, it looks like he broke up. Oh, that's why people are, yeah, because I noticed that people are talking right now about Omi, and I was like, hey, why is everybody talking about Omi? But this is why people are talking about Omi right now, because it pumped, man, it pumped. Let's see on the daily. 2.49%. I don't know, maybe they're looking at 4 hour and seeing the moving average the same way I've seen. So is this gonna pump more? That's the question. I'm gonna add this one as well. OMI Tether. So we're gonna keep on watching it on Patreon. Let's see if it does this. Thank you. This is official breakdown. This is my Slavic bro for life now. Yeah, OMI is okay. Yeah, OMI looks like it broke out, but it didn't. Yeah, you know, there are the way I see it, there are two options right now that OMI can do right now. Okay, the first one is the parabolic move that goes something. It says something like, first of all, this is the trend up here, so you don't want to break on downside because that's gonna be bad. So if this falls on downside down here and breaks, that's terrible. But if you just go down here, then we have the same kind of trend towards the upper. Now, since this is a bull market, right now, second pair bull market, this might be that it is increasing in intensity. So this is the first trend right now, and from over here right now, it's going to faster trend towards the upside. So that might be it, just like we're seeing Bitcoin do the same thing, right? That might be it, that we are going through faster triangle. And right now, this is a pennant that we are going into right now. Right now, this is a pennant, and that's breaking to the upside. So right now, you know, it did make this very nice bottom down here, broke the back on the moving averages up here, and right now it's going to continue towards the upside. So it does look nice. I don't have anything against OMI, but OMG, is this OMG or OMI? Did I look at the right coin? Sorry, I look at the wrong coin. This is OMG. OMG, loving this so much. Yes, OMI is okay. Okay, this is Omisego. Sorry, I looked at OMI. Okay, guys, Omisego looks good, but let's look at OMI because, you know, Ekomi. By the way, somebody shielded this. I remember somebody shielded this, and then nothing happened. Yeah, OMI, OMG. OMG on the weekly looks fine, but let's look at a daily. It looks like it's breaking the trend downside, which is not good. This isn't good. This isn't good. It's breaking down on the downtrend. So what we are looking at here? What we are looking at here right now? We are looking down here. We are looking for support. Maybe 10 moving average down here. Some kind of support around 53 or something like that. 50 moving average right around here, this ballpark down here. I think 54. Someone sold a bunch, I believe. Nah, it went too slow, it went too slow. Okay, I'm done. This was 2 hours live stream. I don't know why I did that, man. It was fun, it was fun. It 6% up right now. It isn't stopping, man. Shiba. So Fantom, maybe Fantom tomorrow. XS. Oh, XS. One pumped, nice. And DY is dying. Such different coins, some dumping, some not. Some pumping. I love Selena. Oh man, that's it. There we go. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye. My friend, you are still streaming. This is a worthy event. We're done, Chadwick. We're done. This is the done. Tezos is still good. Yeah, as long as BitBoy is talking about Tezos is still fine. Tezos is at the bottom now, so you know we are expecting Tezos to pump up here. I don't think it's gonna break down as long as BitBoy is you know, talking about it, so it might be at the bottom. GG guys, GG. Tomorrow new green candles tomorrow. See you around. Bye bye.